Hello again, friends and followers. Here's a quick overview of how to install a Jandy iAqualink 2.0 upgrade. So, was lucky enough to find this on eBay for a good price. This is an iAqualink 2.0. So, the older Jandy required a PDA, which is pretty useless these days. So anyway, to install this, it's pretty easy. Here's the old iAqualink, and it goes on a plug that looks like this. The new iAqualink has a similar plug, so I bolted this up to the wall, and I've taken all this apart, which probably was not necessary. This is the iAqualink RS. There's my, I guess, revision level of the firmware. Anyway, taking this all apart, all you need to do really is feed these wires through, and the new iAqualink 2.0 comes with a similar plug on it, so you just plug this thing into the PCB and you're done. Okay, where's the plug? The plug is located here, so it will go in right there on the side. That plug's a bit hard to access, but all I'm going to do is what the previous installer did. I'm going to push the plug through this large hole. So take your plug and feed it through here, and once you get the plug up, pull your wire all through, pull all the wire up, and just take this plug and plug it in to here, and that's it. That's about it for the install of the iAqualink 2.0. Never mind the fact that I keep dropping screws on the ground. I lost this screw, and I even put down a blanket to catch the screws, but they fall and bounce and they're gone. So you should probably get a magnetic screw keeper for all these little screws. Okay, well, thanks for watching. I'll put up a second video on connecting this thing up to Wi-Fi. So again, pretty easy. Just remove the old one by pulling off the connector, route the new connector through, coil the wire up, and push it in, turn it on. And don't forget to turn off all your power. There's 220 volts in this thing, so you want to make sure it's turned off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.